It's us again.
3 o'clock now.
Yay! It was actually like 2 o'clock last time our message was.
Yeah.
It's close.
We just like to discuss Maddie's sleep talking. Last night I was woken up several times. First time Maddie asked me where I lived, who I was, why I was Hannah. I'm not Hannah, by the way, I'm Rochelle. And then she heard someone sneeze and asked me if that was her name. It's not her name. And then she started staring at me and getting scared when I said, "What are you looking at?" So it was fun. I didn't get much sleep, but apparently she did.
I was very comfortable.
I thought you were.
I was spread across.
And this tent is really weird. It makes everything look weird.
Rochelle, don't.
The bloody tent's blowing away.
Rochelle got scared last night thinking, oh my god, there's someone outside.
It literally sounded like people walking around the tent. I was ready to get up with a bat and go chase people.
We don't have a bat here, so that would have been fun to watch.
I would have grabbed one of those poles because they all freaking fell anyway.
Right now we have no idea where the other 4 are.
Are they all gone?
I haven't heard them.
Taylor! Jack! Hannah! Jake! Oh, they all gone!
Oh, they could just be in their tent, then maybe they're sleeping.
No, they're not.
We're gonna get ready for dinner soon.
Yay! We're apparently supposed to be getting up get dressed up really fancy for a cafe.
But I don't think I'm going to because, well, you know. Well, in that last hour, we've done really nothing.
We've listened to some music.
Yeah, we learnt the lyrics to Thrift Shop. But failed a bit, you know.
Yeah.
Too quick for us. One day. Our tent is still drenched. It is still windy.
It's probably worse.
I think our
now.
tarp. Wait, we'll show them our tarp.
Oh, okay. Let's take them for a little outdoor tour.
I gotta find out how to turn my camera around. So if you miss it, well, it's because I got no camera at the moment. Okay. So if you didn't see that, our tarp is gone. Oh, it went down my sleeve. Yeah. So
That's
this
a
is
lot worse than the last time
Yeah,
we saw
the
it.
second time it happened. Fell down last night. But
That's Jack's car there, covered in tarp.
he broke his aerial last night because the tarp fell.
Yeah.
Puddles everywhere.
Is there a chance that he can get that?
Ah.
Rain! I lost my beanie. I think it's in Jake's car.
Oh no. They still, I think they're still.
Taylor! Taylor! Damn it.
We'll have to go for a walk soon to see if they're still there because. Oh wait, I heard Hannah. Okay, yep.
They're still here.
They're here, it's okay. And Mummy, when we get home, we are taking out these extensions, yes?
These.
Because they're. I can't. This is too difficult.
Here. Oh, sorry.
There's Hannah.
Hannah, say hello to our video log. Yes.
Touch my mum that now.
You said crap.
Oops, sorry, Mummy. Oh, we should do another one, so I'm gonna get in trouble.
Takes me to paradise, and I'm singing about sex.
Jack, man.
No! Oh my god, I'm trying to. What are they doing?
I know.
Right, our tent is in
I
bed. This is
swear,
exactly
I was-
what I didn't want. Oh my
You fell
god.
asleep. I was gonna come in here and you fell asleep and then I couldn't come in.
What are you swearing about, Hannah?
Us.
Jack, man.
Now, no more time for me because they're going to all invade our tent.
I'm not wearing any pants.
And I'm not happy because, you know, then I'll never get to rest.
Don't joke anymore.
Okay.
Hannah's angry because her tent is wet. Because you can't crush me! Oh, my sleeping bag is
Oh,
wet!
it's gonna...
Oh my god! Oh my god! What are you doing? Shoes inside the tent!
Just here.
No, not my shoes. What are you doing?
Oh my god.
It's too wet. She won't
Where do we
look.
close?
Over there. Well,
Oh, thank God.
it's alright. Just you can crouch down.
You're getting wet. Sit down, Jackie.
Well, you can sit there. Just don't sit on my stuff. I don't want your bum in my face. Don't
You
sit on
don't
my
sit there.
stuff. Not on my stuff. Look, face. Don't.
That's dirty.
Just sit there.
Well, this
You're
is
on
a bonding
camera.
experience.
So to sit down.
Sit. You sit on her gives a crap.
No, don't sit on my clothes. What are you doing? Sit over there then. Sit over there.
What's wrong? What's the
Sit
issue?
over like that.
Alright, but fuck, come on, stop being mean.
No, I'm not being mean. You just swore you're gonna get wet there.
I'm gonna fucking get wet everywhere.